So, are you using a CRM in your lawn and landscape business? That's a client relationship manager. This is something that I knew was going to be huge in our company, but now looking back, I didn't know it was going to be such a huge part of us expanding our company so quickly. The ability to get every client's information, not have it written down on a piece of paper, the ability to remarket back to them, stay in contact with them, and then have offices like the one I'm standing in, put people in to hire people on your team to be able to maintain customer service that is through the roof, and how a CRM helps you manage your clients and make sure everybody is taken care of, everybody is communicated with, something that is going to help you differentiate yourself from everyone in the industry is having excellence in your customer service. A CRM will allow you to have excellence in your customer service and set yourself apart so you can grow your company and dominate your local area.